Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 270 Vantage. It's from Boston Whaler. It comes with two 225 horsepower engines in white color, absolutely wonderful. And we have a nice bench seat here in the back. This seat folds up, which makes a nice big area for you to stand around and fish. It's got rod holder storage, cup holders, massive space here in the middle. The next seat over here is a nice lounger where you can sit whichever direction. You can also lay it all the way down, make it a nice little sun tanning spot, and sit whichever way you want. Here we have a head. It's a nice area. You can actually step down there and have some decent room. Comes with a JL sound system with a Fusion player up front. You got all your switches. You got a nice huge Raymarine, which is great for fishing and keeping track of where you are and everything. The helm is very comfortable. It's got a flip-up bolster. Just an absolutely wonderful boat here. And in the bow, very big, spacious area for sitting and relaxing. There's storage under every seat. It's absolutely wonderful. So again, my name is Dan Pergett with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check us out.